Good evening. Welcome back. Alright, you ready to see this quick and easy little cracker? Tortellini with tomato mushroom sauce. Oh, mate, this is quick, easy, and really yummy. Alright, so what we're going to need is 500 grams of chicken tortellini is what I'm using tonight, but you can use any tortellini you want. Right, so 500 grams of it, so it can be fresh or frozen. So we want to boil up our water. We're going to throw our 500 grams in once it starts boiling. Now we only want to have it on a little boil, not like really full on. And we only want to cook it until it's just soft. If you overcook it, it'll all fall apart. And the only way to test it is to eat one. Alright, while we've got that on in cooking, we need one small onion chopped up. We need 250 grams of mushrooms, and we want to slice them all. I've got some basil and parsley out of the garden. If you don't have any fresh basil or parsley, you can use dried stuff if you want. So we need 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, so we'll chop that up, and 1 tablespoon of basil chopped up. Now if you want to use dry basil, because you haven't got fresh basil, just use half a tablespoon, alright? We need a 400 gram can of chopped peeled tomatoes. It doesn't matter if they're chopped. You can put whole ones in there. We can chop them up when they're in there. It's no big deal as long as they're peeled ones, okay? We need some tomato paste. We need some chicken stock. We need a little bit of crushed black pepper. And we need some, I haven't got the fresh parmesan, which I'm spewing because the fresh parmesan grated over. But I've just got the cheapo smelly sock one. So I'll use that tonight. And a little bit of extra parsley to garnish. Alright, we also need a block of butter. Okay, so let's chop all that up and put the tortellini in it to cook, and we will cook up the sauce. Let's do this. Heat up our pan about halfway. Butter. Onion. Mushrooms. Flick it around a bit. Fry them both off for about a minute and a half. Oh, it's so good. I love the smell of mushrooms. Alright, a couple of minutes later, in with your canned tomatoes. You want a tablespoon of tomato paste, half a cup of stock, mix it in really well, parsley, basil, and I want half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Give it a good mix in. Now we want to turn it down to a very light simmer. So it's just bubbling a tiny little bit. And we want to do that while we thicken it up a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. Alright, we've got the sauce thickened perfectly. This is exactly how you want it, okay? Once we've done that, turn the heat off. In with our cooked tortellini, well drained. Toss it around. Once you've got it all tossed in there, serve her up. Oh yeah. How simple, quick and easy is this, and what a tasty meal, my friends. I'll tell you. Oh. Mate, this is a seriously tasty meal. It serves 4, and you can absolutely double the whole thing if you need to feed a big family. Alright, so fresh grated parmesan would be awesome. But use whatever you've got, and if you don't have Parmesan, you can definitely use cheese. Any cheese you got. Sprinkle a bit of that on. Parsley. Come on. Boom. Yum. Oh my god, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back. Bye.